So this is our classroom pet, the glow-in-the-dark fishes. We started with the blue fish first. So we voted on the color fish for our pet classroom. And they chose, most of the voting came out blue, so I got the blue one first. And then the children were asking for another color, the pink one and then the red one. So I got one of each of the glow-in-the-dark fishes, so the children could have their pet in the classroom. So this is my classroom pets. I have a few fishes in there. I have a green one and a pink one and a red striped one and a blue one. The blue one's named Dory. So I'll let them know that fishes, this is their home. It's an aquarium. They have in the aquarium we have gravel, and then we have a few hiding spots they could go in and hide. And then the aquarium has water, it holds water, and it has filters to clean out the water, and it has a light, and it has a heating to keep them warm, and it has a thermometer right there. It tells the temperature. It's kind of a little dark. And this is our glow-in-the-dark fishes pet classroom. So there's a few little pets in there. We don't have names yet. We're still voting for the names for the color fishes. So we just got them. But we had Dory for a while. So this is my pet fishes for our classroom, virtual learning. After the children observe their classroom pets, they'll create a shopping list, and then they will draw pictures of what they need for their to see if they remember what of their glow-in-the-dark fishes need, such as they will share their pictures with the class, and then I'll show them to see if they have what they need in their shopping list, and I'll explain to them if they had a fish, and then we'll match to see who has a fish and their shopping list, rocks, and then water. We'll compare to see who has this on their list and how many friends put it on their list. And then the aquarium, and then their food, the fish needs food, flakes, and then gravel. We'll explain what gravel means. We'll let them know there are little rocks inside the aquarium at the bottom. And then plants. Some aquarium have plants. So we'll just compare shopping lists, and the friends will share what they have, and then I'll share my list with them. So the second lesson, I'll show them pictures of fish body parts, and they will guess to see what the tail does, and they'll explain to me the tail they use it to swim, and then I'll compare it with how we move, and we use our feet to move, and fishes use tails. And then I'll share another picture like their gill. The gill will they'll help them breathe, and we have noses that helps us breathe, and they use their gill to breathe water, and we breathe air. So I'll compare. And then eyes. Fishes have eyes to see, just like we do. So I'll explain to them what are eyes for, and they'll guess. And then mouth, what do they use their mouth for? And then their fins, they'll tell me what their fins are for. And that's it for this lesson. So my third lesson will be a fish observation challenge with their classroom pets through a virtual meeting. And then in this challenge, they'll observe parts of the aquarium, such as the gravel and the plants and the decorations and where fishes hide. And then they'll observe the parts of the fishes and observe how the fish moves. And then they'll observe the fish interactions with the other fishes and observe how the fish eats.